Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Arithmetic Progression Exercise 5.2 fifth sum. Let's see the question. Find the number of terms in each of the following ABs. So they have asked us to find the number of terms. In the first one it's given us 7, 13, 19 till 205. Okay, in my class if there are 10 students, in my class there are 10 students and I am telling that the last number of my class student is on number 10. So how many students will be there in my class? If the last number is in 10, so the total number will also be 10. The last number tells you the total number of students. So whatever the number is given in the last, if we find the number of term of this 205, we will know how many terms are there in it. So for that case, we need to take an to be 205. So if I take an to be 205, then I can find the number of term of 205. It will be the total number of terms. So always write an to be 205. We know a for the sum is 7, d equal to a2 minus a1, that is 13 minus 7. Which is 6. So now substitute the formula an formula equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 205. A is 7 plus n we don't know minus 1 into d is equal to 6 equal to 205. Always take 7 to that side. So n minus 1 into 6 is equal to 205 minus 7. So it is 198. 6 is in multiply. I want to bring 6 to this side. To find n, other than n, bring everything to this side. 6 3s are 18. 6 3s are 18. So n minus 1 equal to 33, then n is equal to 33 plus 1, so n is equal to 34. So total number of terms is equal to 34 for the sum. So the number of the terms in the AP is 34 is the final answer. We'll move on to the second subdivision. The second subdivision, they have given 18, 15 1 by 2, 13 up to minus 47. As it is the same sum, we need to do it like that. An equal to the last number. If we find the number of term of the last number, we can find the total number. So an equal to minus 47. My a will be equal to 18. My d is equal to a2 minus a1, which is 15 1 by 2 is, I need to change to a improper fraction. It becomes 31 by 2 minus 18. Need to take LCM. So 31 by 2 minus 36 by 2. Here just multiply the number for taking LCM. Here it becomes minus 5 by 2. So my d is equal to minus 5 by 2. Substitute in the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. An formula is a plus n minus 1 into d, which is equal to 47 minus 47. Instead of an, I am substituting the formula. We know a n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47. Bring 18 to this side. N minus 1 into minus 5 by 2 is equal to minus 47 plus 18. Sorry, it becomes minus 18 because plus 18 comes to this side as minus 18. I need to add because of 2 minus sign. It becomes 65. Yeah, I need to bring 5 by 2. It is in multiply. I need to bring it to this side. It comes as a reciprocal. Numerator will come to the denominator and denominator will come to the numerator with the sign, same sign. Here you can cancel this 5 in 5 tables. 5 1s are 5. 5 3s are 15. So you need to multiply. Minus into minus will become plus. So 26, n minus 1 is 26. While bringing minus 1 to this side, it becomes plus 1. So n is equal to 27. So number of terms, total number of terms for this AP is 27 is the final answer for the sum. Remember that n should not be negative, n should not be in fraction. If I ask you how many members are there in your house, you can't say it is -4, -5. It will always be a positive number. So number of persons, number of any number will be any number count will be a positive number. It can't be a fraction. You can't say 4.5 people are there in my house. No, it can't be in fraction. So it will always be in whole number. Remember that. So we have found the total number of terms in the sum. That's all with the sum. Thank you.